Namaste. You may try this with me. Allow the surface of the tongue to lightly touch the hard palate, that deep spot there, and lightly seal it backwards. And then breathe in as you do that. Relax the jaw. And exhale. Close your eyes. Loosen the teeth. Keep going. Mindful breathing through the nose. Lifting your optic muscles between the eyebrows. And exhaling. Relax the eyes. Breathing in. Eyes lift between the eyebrows internally. Exhale. Eyes loosen. One more. Inhalation. And exhalation. What you just practice is the Nabho Mudra. When we seal the tongue against the hard palate, it's a conscious effort to direct the energy we inspire from the nostrils to the brain. And the tongue paving the way for our body energy to rise as well. And then at nighttime, this happens organically without us doing it. Therefore, especially if you practice Hatha Yoga, you might find yourself one morning waking up with your tongue touching the hard palate, like it's been there all night. And your mouth is sensitive and dry. And there's a need to rinse the mouth because this is a way of cleansing too. Allowing the toxins and the dirt coming from the body to drain out of the system. So if you find yourself in that situation one morning, what you do is to rinse your mouth, of course, and then you can do your meditation, actually. Especially when you are an early riser, because the most potent window for this cleansing is between 12:30 in the morning and 4:30. So you can time your energetic meditative practices within that spiritual window. You might chant, you might do your pranayama, or you can also do your stillness, silence, and prayer. Have a lovely one. I'll see you next time.